Welcome to MemoxAI Studio. Today, we'll explore how to run powerful AI tools like ChatGPT, Stable Diffusion, and Whisper from your own laptop. No cloud, no subscriptions, full control. Running AI locally protects your data, works offline, and gives you full freedom to experiment, perfect for coders, artists, or privacy-focused users. You'll need at least 16 gigabytes RAM, a modern CPU, and ideally a GPU with at least 6 gigabytes VRAM like RTX 3060 or higher. Don't worry, I'll show you how to optimize even for low-end PCs. Here are the top tools you can run locally. 1. LM Studio. Chat with LLMs like Llama 3. 2. Kobold. Oobabooga text generation ChatGPT-style. 3. Stable Diffusion Automatic 1111. Generate images. 4. Whisper.cpp. Transcribe audio to text. 5. TTS Coqui.ai. Bark. Turn text into voice. All free. All local. The setup are as follows. Step 1. Install Python if needed. Step 2. Download model files, for example, .gguf, .ckpt, .pth. Step 3. Launch local UI tool. Step 4. Test interaction prompt chat, image generation. Step 5. Optimize using quantized models. The MemoxAI team is developing a comprehensive, step-by-step guide on setting up the most advanced local AI systems, and it will be completely free. Make sure to like and subscribe to the MemoxAI channel to be notified as soon as this practical guide is released. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.